Hello students, so in that video we have to see how to make a sheet and export it. So this is the last step of our whole planning. If we are making our whole structure, then we can make a sheet of it, like just drag the all components in one sheet and make a sheet and export it in different forms. If you want a AutoCAD file, you can export it to DWG. If you want a DXF file or any kind of file, you can export this. Or if you want to plot it or make a print of it, just like that, you can do this. So simply go for a project browser, and here you can see sheets. Just right click it, and here you can see new sheet. Here by default A1 metric is set. If you want to get new, then go to load, and here uh, as per our Autodesk location, we can browse and select the title blocks which you want, and then OK. So this is one sheet is made. So in that sheet you can just drag the levels. Suppose level 1 I have to put in that plan. Now the scale of that level is more, hence it is placed like that. So now I can go to the that, and suppose I want to change the scale. Suppose I made this 1 is to 50. Same for the level 2, I made this 1 is to 50. Suppose I want to place section A1. To change this scale, I want to put the section 1. I also change the scale of this section. Suppose I want to place one schedule of column. So this is the schedule of our column. Now I can go for the sheet, and here you can change as per your requirement. Means what is the owner name, what is the project name. Suppose I want to give it a name as a structural framing. Just like that, you can change the information, like what is the scale of our project, that kind. Okay, and now go to level 1 and select that and place it to this plan. From here you can drag this and change the positions of it. So as per your requirement, change the scaling of our plans, sections, and drag it to where you want. Suppose I want to put the section here. Just like that, you can make our sheet. So now I want to export this sheet. So if you want to export the sheet, you can just simply go here, application menu, and here you can see export. So here you can export to CAD formats like DWG, DXF. You can export it to PDF, IFC, and the DWG format. Just like you can export the sheet. If you want to plot or print out the sheet, select it, save as per your name, and just simply the sheet was exported. Just like that, you can export the sheet as well as uh, convert it to any kind of DWG file or anything you want.